Hey everyone, have you ever looked at a beetle and thought, what can I possibly learn from this tiny creature? Well, today I want to share a few surprising lessons from beetles that could actually help us lead more meaningful lives. First, quick fun fact. Did you know there are more species of beetles on Earth than any other kind of animal? Over 350,000. That's more than all the plants, birds, and mammals combined. Beetles are basically the silent, humble champions of nature. So what's their secret? For starters, beetles are the masters of adaptation. From the deserts of Rajasthan to the lush forests of the Western Ghats, you'll find beetles everywhere. Some burrow underground, some swim underwater, some even glow in the dark. No matter how harsh the environment, beetles find a way to survive. And that's lesson number 1. Adaptability. Life keeps throwing curveballs, right? If a beetle can figure out how to thrive in the most extreme places, surely I can be a bit more flexible when things don't go my way. Now let's talk about resilience. Many beetles, like the dung beetle, take on jobs nobody else wants. They roll balls of dung across the ground, cleaning up the environment and recycling nutrients back into the soil. It's not glamorous work, but it's necessary. Sometimes I get discouraged when faced with boring or tough tasks, but beetles remind me that every job, no matter how small, matters in the bigger picture. That's lesson 2. Take pride in your work, even if nobody is watching. Another thing about beetles, they're patient. Some beetles spend years as larvae underground before they even see the light of day. They're in no rush, just waiting for the right time to emerge. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get impatient. But maybe, like the beetle, I should trust the process and focus on growing at my own pace. Finally, beetles teach us about balance. They're small, but together, beetles keep entire ecosystems running smoothly. They pollinate plants, decompose waste, and provide food for other animals. It's a reminder that every living being, no matter how tiny, has a role to play. Maybe I don't have to be the biggest or loudest to make a difference. So next time you spot a beetle crawling on a leaf, take a moment to appreciate its quiet wisdom. Adapt, be resilient, stay patient, and remember, you're part of something much bigger. If a humble beetle can change the world, so can you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to look a little closer at nature next time you step outside.